If you have a shoulder impingement, this is totally going to help you out. Have you had shoulder pain in the last 30 days? Does your shoulder hurt when you lift it over your head? Is it difficult for you to sleep at night? If so, then I have something that I want to invite you to. It's the shoulder pain workshop that I'm hosting right here at AllCare Physical Therapy in Brooklyn. Hi, my name is Dr. Ofir Isaac, and I wanted to share with you really quick what you're going to learn at the shoulder pain workshop. Number one is the single biggest mistake that shoulder pain sufferers make that usually results in them having to take medications or injections or even have surgery. The second thing that you're going to learn are the three most common causes of shoulder pain. Two of them are really common. One of them is really sneaky and doesn't even show up on MRI or an X-ray, and it can create many problems. Number three is the top three things that you can do to get rid of your shoulder pain and get back to normal. So click on the button below. It's right below this video and register for the free shoulder pain workshop. And I'm really excited to see you there.